Hello, and welcome back to the Fully Me channel. My name is Jazelle, and I'm happy that you're here. Today is a video all about water therapy healing, and there are actual sessions where you can go and you can work with a therapist using water. But I do it on my own, and it is essentially when I'm feeling really tight in my body or stressed, honestly, in my mind. Sometimes I'm a little low in my emotions, or it's just been one of those days, or I just want to do something real nice for myself. Then I go and I begin my water therapy healing sessions. So here I am actually at my gym, and I'm grateful and blessed to have the benefit of having a pool at my gym and a hot tub at my gym and a sauna at my gym. And some gyms have that, some do not. If you do not, don't worry, I got something for you. So I have my little bag, and inside of my bag I have everything that I'll need: my towel, my little slippers, my swimming suit, and a change of clothes. Sometimes I work out before, sometimes I don't. So this is lavender oil. This just kind of adds to the feel. I can't just dump a bunch of lavender oil in a pool. However, I just take a few drops and I put them on my wrist, or I put them behind my ear, or I put them on my temples. And as I'm in this wonderfully warm, steamy hot tub, the steam is just causing the smell and the aroma to really open up. And because it's on me, it's not, a lot. I'm not worrying about other people having any issues or anything like that. It's just me. So as my body is getting really warm and the steam is causing me to sweat, it's really just opening up the aromas. So I have a little bit of aromatherapy going on as well. Now I am exiting the pool, going to clean off and get dressed and head home. And if you do not have a gym, or maybe you don't want to go to the gym, because sometimes I don't want to, then you can run yourself a warm bath at home. Put some bubbles in it, and now you have the option of putting a little oils or essential oils, bringing in your candle, your warm, delicious aromas, as well as any music that you may like. And you can just have a ball there in your own home, in the privacy of your own home. And I generally just tell my kids, hey, mommy is going to go do her water therapy. And I come back, I'm refreshed, my body is warmed, and my muscles are tender, and they are just well refreshed. And I'm usually ready to go for bed, or just kind of chill out and relax. But this is something that you can do, just a way of loving yourself, a wonderful way to end the day, or to have a break in the day, or maybe just do it on the weekends. But this is giving back to you, loving you, and pretty much we show people how to treat us, right? So by me taking out this time, letting everyone know this is what I'm doing right now, then they begin to learn to respect that and honor that, and it just fits into our life. So if you haven't tried it already, I want to encourage you this week to make some time to do some water therapy. And maybe if you don't want to say, I'm just going to take a bath, make it sound all, scientific and like this is a real big deal, because it is, and call it water therapy healing. All right, let me know if you've tried it before. If you have any other good tips on some ways that we can love on our bodies and just really begin to pour back into ourselves, I'd love to hear them and even try them out. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification so you are aware on all of the weekly videos that are coming out. All right, bye.